How do you list data in Avocadata? This is going to be like a 5-minute overview of what the system is doing for that. Actually build databases and sell data products to anyone in the ecosystem. So that can be your own users or that can be other white labelers who can then resell your data and pay you forever and ever and ever. Everyone on their $4.99 plan can create one database that they are actually listing their own data for. So the way it works is you would hook up your domain. Our domain, for instance, is avocadata.com. And within avocadata.com, all these databases that are under my data. So here's our Avocadata, and then anyone that's under add database. These are our purchase databases. So these databases we created, we can now sell to other users, sell to other businesses, and allow them to resell that to their users, or you can add it into your own account. Anything that's added to your own account, you can assign over to yourself. You would just have to click this button, which would show you all the databases in the system that you have put in for yourself. What you just saw was your ability to put in your own data. So these are the different databases that are just examples. So maybe you have a database of consumer information, business leads, age solar leads, age insurance leads. You would be able to make separate containers to stick each of those in. And when you make those containers, you can sell them to, again, your individual clients or to the whole ecosystem. When we go down here, we can see that your own users might buy your data. Now, these other options, the sharing, white label, you don't have to do that. If you want to upload the data and just leave it for yourself and no one else can look at it, buy it, share it, contact you about it, that's not a problem. You have that ability to be totally private and not have anything shared with anybody. However, you do have the ability, if you wish to share it, for other people to actually sign up and pay you for it. So imagine this is another white label on Avocadata. This is another white label that sells solar leads. This might be another white label that's for recruitment. If you're a data provider that shows people who just left their job, this white label for recruitment very well might want to work with you as a data provider and pay you now for the data that you originate from the very beginning. Why would they do that? Because there's over 400 different businesses on Avocadata that are operating their own white labels every day. So right now, there's a very large skew of clients that are the end users that we don't even interact with currently. And that was always our goal, because we don't want to know what everyone does. We'd rather just put together a group within an ecosystem and be able to network them together and get the best of both worlds with that. And at the same time, you can just work on your own clients. For instance, if I was going to upload age gutter leads, I would be able to sell it through to my own clients here in my own white label, or someone such as Avocadata can resell their leads in our white label and then pay them for the sales that we get.